are prompts and messages are expected, because this is the for normal operation of the system. Now going for the next one, if you see this, sheet, on the right side there is one graph. So this graph shows that in the operation there are three phases. Normally the system works on the normal operation band, which is showing in the green, and then it goes in the yellow section, that is just beginning of abnormal situation. The moment it enters from the normal to the abnormal battery limit, the operator has to be informed in terms of alarm, in terms of audio or video system, so that operator will diagnose and investigate the situation to take the corrective action so that he can bring down the situation to the normal. And the last red line you are saying is shutdown situation, that is beyond alarm. If you see here, again on the same picture, the moment operator gets alarm, he has to take the suitable control so that he can bring down the situation from abnormal to the normal situation. So the moment he gets alarm, but after getting alarm, he will not be immediately bring it down to the normal zone. He will take some time to diagnose. So this is the peak level. Before it enters into the shutdown, he has to take the action to bring into the green zone. So this is what we know. I'm not saying something rocket science to you. This is everyone knows it. For successful operator response, of course, we need have to have some sensor. The sensor will give some information to logic solver, and of course, it will give alert and alarm to the operator, and then he will take a suitable action to making the situation in the normal condition. Guys, this is very, very important slide. I will request for your attention. This is the actual situation of the operation in the existing world. If you see, the column 1 is oil and gas, column 2 is a petrochem, column 3 is a power, and column 4 is other. We are not worried about petrochem, power, and other. We are worried about oil and gas. And the last two columns are standard, EEMUA standard and ISA standard. If you see in normal situation, I'm not saying about ADNOC, I'm saying this is the recorded and reported information as per the worldwide database. The normal average alarm people are getting is 1200 alarms per day in oil and gas industry. So you can imagine what is the amount of alarm operators are getting. As per the practice, we are following ISA. As per practice, this should not be more than 150 to 300. 150 is the lower band and 300 is the maximum top band. So if we are getting alarm more than 300, that means it is an overload of alarm or alarm flooding. So this situation we have to identify. This is why we are doing the alarm rationalization, to prevent overload or alarm flood. And if you see in the last line distribution, while we are qualifying the alarm, we must ensure that it is,